Here in front of me, that is the restaurant where you can have a drink or food, and somewhere here is the entrance of the museum here in the castle. Everything is very beautiful. The stones are very reddish. The umbrellas, they are definitely red, and it's beautiful. Now we are on the second floor in the museum in Nideggen Castle. The second floor is interesting as well. Here in these small windows you can see miniatures. That is Joan of Arc. Here is something different. They are so tiny and so beautifully made. There are armors. Here a boy with traditional clothing from the time. And here there are different types of miniatures, but they are a little bit bigger. The only English translation of part of the exhibits here are here in these small books. The rest, everything is in German language. So keep in mind there are no QR codes where you can see the translation. There is no audio guides from what I saw so far, so keep in mind it's very interesting so far, but with the lack of translation in different languages is a little bit unknown. Let's say it unknown. I wonder if these weapons are original or made later. And here are another miniatures. Everything is about war, power, dominance over another nations. And let's go in the other room. Okay. I'm curious, for what is this table? The torture devices, they were on the first floor. Maybe that is to make butter. Yeah, butter. I believe that here everything is authentic. Yeah, should be authentic. mantle. Okay, so from here, from this shoe model, from this slipper model, started making the very traditional German slippers that the people now. Toys for the children. Maybe something to do with the butter, because those are.
Things is a lot. That is used to stir.
That is the third floor in Nideggen Castle Museum. Here we have a noble family. And some of their daily life. And that should be the bed. Some board games.
Aufgelegt stürzt der Kanzler vom Wohnwerk zum Palast, wo sich gerade der Herbst traut. Der Ausdruck von die panoramische Armee auf die Decke zurück. Graustreifen überall auf.
So beautiful.
Die Burg steht bald unter Beschuss.
Full ton of bones.
Yes.
Die Burgbesatzung sucht Schutz in den Bergfried und die den Sturmleitern bringen die gegnerischen Völker zusammengeschossen werden, Widerspruch. Dazu Wilhelm V. und sein Mann ergeben sich im Frieden von Wendung muss Wilhelm Geldern und Karl V. Aus dem Stolz der Burg wird perched eine Burg. Nach der Belagerung
Well, in Germany there are like 20,000 castles.
Yeah, that is normal, because back then in the time wasn't Germany. Every city, every village was a kingdom, let's say, in its own. And the owners of the castle, of the village, the noble families, they rule.
Vechtende dappere krijgers en liefelijke burgvrouwen, kerkers en toernooien. ethische Sinne ausgedruckt, der Raum die Knabe, auch ebenfalls die Form von dem Handwerk ist abhängig von den finanziellen Mitteln von der Bürger. Keramik in diesem Handwerk sehr bedeutet. Glas ist kostbare Güter.